What's going on, guys? What is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's AliMECH. In today's video I'm gonna be testing and reviewing an engine degreaser called Gunk. So they have three main types. The first one is the foamy one, best for dirt, dust and road grime, and the second one is the original one, best for tough oil and dirt buildup, and the third one, the one I'm using, heavy duty gel, best for baked on grease and cutting through the toughest sludge. So we'll see how it's gonna work. This is a light oil. I'm not gonna only test it here, I'm gonna test it here. This is a baked one, so we'll see how it's gonna work. Before using any cleaner on the engine, make sure the engine cold to touch and disconnect the negative wire on the battery. Some of the oil looks soft and wet. You can remove it with a finger, but other hardened and dry. So let's see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna be following the instructions to get the best result. Shaking the can and then applying the product and leaving for 15 minutes. And then pressure wash it and see how it's gonna work. After using that much, still some left in the can. So we're gonna wait for 15 minutes and then pressure wash it. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, the moment we all been waiting for. So as you guys saw, it removed the oil completely, but not the baked one. The baked one still left. Maybe it's too old, but I can say that it was much better than the other degreaser I used before. This is some before and after pictures. So what do you guys think about it? Is it worth the money? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.